Hello everybody! In today's maths lesson, we are going to be comparing numbers using the less than, greater than, and equal to symbols. You've already done this with numbers up to 20, but today we are going to be doing this with numbers up to 50. So for this lesson, you are going to need your less than and greater than symbols that you made a couple weeks ago. If you don't have them anymore, then you can make some new ones for today's lesson. I'm going to put two numbers on the whiteboard and we are going to figure out which one is greater, and then we are going to put in the correct inequality symbols. The first number is 14. The next number is 24. So I'm going to use my real Deans and I want you to use your paper Deans to make these numbers. So first we are going to make the number 14. 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones. 24 has 2 10s and 4 1s. So 10, switch, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 20, switch, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, the ones column is the same. We've got the same number of ones in both numbers. So that means we have to look at the tens to see which one has more tens. 24 has more tens, which means 24 is the greater number. So we're going to get our inequality symbol and it's going to face the bigger number. So as a number sentence, we will say 14 is less than 24. Let's do another example. This time we are going to do 32 and 12. 32 and 12. I want you to get your paper Deans and make the number 32 and then make the number 12. Off you go. So I'm going to make 32. 10, 20, 30, switch, 31, 32. Now I'm going to make the number 12. 10, switch, 11, 12. So just like last time, our ones are the same. The ones are equal. So then we need to look at the tens. Which number has more tens? This one. 32 has more tens, which means 32 is the greater number. So we'll get our inequality symbol and we'll face it towards the 32. So this number sentence is 32 is greater than 12. In the next example, you are going to make the numbers and then you are going to put in your inequality symbols all on your own. Then you'll check the video afterwards, after you're done, to see if you got it correct. So we've got 56, oops, put 56 there, and 36 on this side. So what you're going to do, you're going to pause the video, use your paper Deans to make the numbers, then you're going to use your inequality symbols, to make this number sentence correct. You're going to face your inequality symbol in the correct way. So do that now, and when you're finished, press play, and I'll show you how to work it all out. So 36, there are 3 tens. 10, 20, 30, and there are 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 56 has 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in both of these numbers, they have the same number of ones. They both have 6 ones. So then we look at the tens. Which number has more tens? 56. So 56 is the greater number. So that means that the crocodile will eat 56. So we read this as 36 is less than 56. Next one. $48 and 45. Pause the video and make the numbers 48 and 45 with your paper Deans. So let's make the number 48. We need 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 20, 30, 40. Switch. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. This number has 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So in this question, our ones are different. This one has 8 ones, and this one has 5 ones. Our tens are the same. So that means we need to look at the ones to tell us which number is greater. So the tens are the same. Let's look at the ones. Which one has more ones? 48. 48 has more ones. So that means that 48 is the greater number. 48 is greater than 45. Okay, for the next one, you're going to do it all on your own. So I'll put the question out and you're going to pause the video to solve it by yourself. Got 34 and 37. Okay, so pause the video, get your paper Deans, make these numbers, and then use your inequality symbol to show which number is the bigger one. Off you go. So 34, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 37, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So our tens are the same, which means we'll have to look at the ones column. Which one has more ones? It's the 7, which means that 37 is the greater number. 34 is less than 37. Let's do another one. This time we're going to do 27 and 52. 27 and 52. I want you to make these numbers with your paper Deans. And then when you finish that, press play again. So 27, we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 52, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Okay. There's more ones in 27, but is 27 the greater number? What do you think? It's not the greater number. Even though there's 7 is bigger than the 2, even though there's the 7 here is bigger than the 2, we have to look at the tens. 27 only has 2 tens, but 52 has 5 tens. So 52 is greater than 27. 52 is the greater number, but when we read the number sentence, we read it as 27 is less than 52. So remember, even if there's more ones, you have to look at the tens, because look at how much bigger 52 is. Okay, the next one, you are going to do it on your own. So we've got 39 and 41. So you make the numbers 39 and 41 with your paper Deans, and then use your inequality symbol to show which number is greater or less than, and play the video when you're finished so you can see the answer. So 39, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. This number had so many more ones than this number. Look at how many ones there are. There's 9 ones here, and there's 1 1 here. So maybe this number is bigger. No, it's not bigger, because this number, 41, has 4 tens, and this number, 39, has 3 tens, and the tens are bigger than the ones. So this number is bigger. So it's going to open up to 41. So we will say 39 is less than 41. Next example. I'm going to have 14 and 41. 14 and 41. Pause the video and make the numbers 14 and 41 with your Deans, and then use your inequality symbol and put it in the correct place. Fourteen has 1 10 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 41 has 4 tens. Oops, 4 tens and 1 1. But which number is greater? What do you think? 41 is the greater number because there are 4 tens, and in 14 there's only 1 10. So 14 is less than 41. Last one in the video. I'm going to do 42 on this side and 24 on this side. I want you to do this one all on your own. Then play the video again when you are ready. "42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. So this one has more ones, but this one has more tens. So 42 is the bigger number. So we say 42 is greater than 24.